Daddy O is in the house. Omo TV 23. Shout out. Sarap, chicken teriyaki, pork barbecue, chop suey, pansit canton gisado. Daddy O is in the house, and yun yung catering venue natin with our singers. Setup team Thanksgiving party, January 20, 2024, here at the Cattleya Resort. Come and visit Cattleya Resort here in Antipolo, Rizal. Yan na, overlooking dito. Yan, nakikita nyo na yung mga ilaw sa baba, naglinis.